Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix sidebar not showing up. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So there's a couple of ways to fix the sidebar. So what you have to do first is to go to view, and here you can enable sidebar. That's one way, and now as you can see we have the sidebar here. That's one way. Another way is if it's turned off from here, you can also grab this, drag this arrow. Okay, and now you have the sidebar. There's another way as well, is to press N on your keyboard. If you press N, as you can see, you have the sidebar now. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial saved you time. Thank you.